Innovations in modern agriculture are critical to guaranteeing global food security and sustainability. A major problem for farmers is striking a balance between agricultural output and conservation initiatives, as we all are aware of the role of farmers in the farming agriculture. They are in charge of producing and maintaining crops, and not only cultivate and harvest it, but also care for the land and ecology as a whole. Therefore, farmers' awareness of innovative machines is crucial for improving crop yields, reducing labor costs, and increasing efficiency, but often struggles due to lack of understanding. If you are a farmer or interested in knowing about the modern technology used in farming nowadays, this video is for you. Because today, we are giving a detailed insight to the top 5 innovative machines a farmer must know about. So, let's start. Firstly, autonomous farm tractors are equipped with integrated systems, computers, and processors. These connections transform electrical impulses into a controller or CPU to enable the tractor to perform. Each tractor is equipped with its own set of interconnected capabilities and fail-safe emergency systems. Every autonomous farm tractor comes with a remote emergency stop feature for everyone's safety. For navigation, tractors are equipped with GPS-enabled cameras, radars, and lighters. A sensor suite with 2 lighters, a camera set, and a side robotic camera is mounted on the tractor. These are used to navigate and monitor the environment, and the data they absorb is fed into the main system. One of the most significant impacts of automation in agriculture is gains in efficiency and accuracy. This is absolutely true in the case of the tractor. Fully autonomous farm tractors can till and plant seeds with pinpoint accuracy. This results in better farming precision, which leads to greater yields with efficient fertilizer distribution, decreased fuel waste, and lower production costs. Another advantage of autonomous tractors is that cutting-edge tractor sensors used by these tractors collect information regarding soil conditions and crop health. They also collect all harvest data prior to and after cropping. Through the data collected by autonomous tractors in agriculture settings of every kind, small and large farms can generate new insights and strategies. Besides, autonomous tractors enable farm operators to get the work done even if they can't add headcount. Autonomous tractors require minimal supervision, meaning a single operator can easily operate an entire fleet. Next to autonomous tractors are drones. It is in agriculture provides several key advantages that lessen labor, expense, and resources across the industry. A drone can easily access the agricultural area in question, whether it's a tight space or a wide open field. Additionally, the drone surveys the area and captures high-quality images, which can then be utilized on their own or turned into detailed, 3-dimensional maps, all without disturbing the farmers, their crops, or the surrounding environment. This allows farmers to better plan their seed planting patterns, conduct soil analysis, and stay up to date with how their plants are growing. Furthermore, drones can address any issues that arise in real time, such as issues with pests or other unwanted visitors, crop yield, weather, and other agricultural contingencies. Apart from that, the photos and real-time coverage drones enable farmers to inspect irrigation equipment, monitor pesticides and fertilizers, and gather plant and environmental data. Additionally, equipped with large reservoirs for fertilizers, herbicides, or pesticides, drones can be used for this purpose, and it works safer, faster, and much more cost-effective. Besides disseminating pesticides and fertilizers, they also allow for a precise measurement of plant health, allowing for a more controlled application of these sprays. Next is smart irrigation systems, an innovative technology that farmers can incorporate into their existing irrigation system. They automate, monitor, and analyze water consumption, helping to reduce waste, detect leaks, and alert the farmers of any potential problems. Also, smart irrigation systems monitor weather, soil moisture, evaporation, and plant species to automatically adjust watering schedules. Irrigation work can be carried out by time and area, avoiding the waste of water caused by traditional preset irrigation. The managers can remotely control it through a mobile phone or computer. No need for the irrigator to manually open or close the water valve. Another innovative machine is harvesting robots that are designed to harvest crops. They use sensors and cameras to detect when the crops are ready to be picked. Then robots are used to harvest them without damaging the produce. Additionally, these robots remove weeds from fields without manual labor. Weeding robots use image recognition technology to identify weeds and to remove them from the soil. These robots crawl over top the produce, looking for weeds. Additionally, farmers can use these robots for tasks such as soil analysis, planting, and even harvesting in some cases. Robots use GPS and other technologies to precisely plant seeds in the soil, ensuring optimal spacing and depth for each seed. Traditional fertilization methods often involve spreading fertilizer across entire fields, which can be wasteful and lead to uneven distribution. Now, fertilizer application robots can apply fertilizer directly to the plants or soil, reducing waste and ensuring that each plant receives the right amount of nutrients. Some robots use pneumatic systems to shoot fertilizer pellets into the soil, while others use liquid fertilizer that is sprayed directly onto the plants. By using robots for fertilizer application, farmers can reduce costs and increase yields. Additionally, because these robots can operate autonomously, they can work around the clock, which can be useful during busy planting or harvesting seasons. The last but not the least in innovative machines are biochar generators that play a vital role in sustainable agriculture. Biochar generators convert organic waste into biochar, a type of stable carbon which can be applied to soil. It can enhance soil fertility, structure, and water holding capacity, also sequestering carbon and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. In agriculture, biochar can improve crop yields, reduce soil erosion, and promote healthy soil microbiota. Biochar generators use pyrolysis, a technique that includes heating organic material in a low oxygen atmosphere. The generator warms the feedstock to a high temperature, converting it into charcoal, bio-oil, and syngas. Additionally, biochar generators provide a holistic solution to some of today's most pressing concerns by enhancing soil health, sequestering carbon, managing trash, producing renewable energy, and protecting the environment. As we address concerns such as climate change, resource management, and economic development, biochar generators will likely play an increasingly important role in promoting a more sustainable and resilient future. We hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then like the video and subscribe to our channel to get notifications of our new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.